This is a tornado warned storm. You're looking at a wall cloud. It set one down, and we do have footage of that, but it recently lifted back up. We're monitoring the situation as it stands. No tornado, no funnel cloud. We are getting pea-sized hail out of this thing. So
marbles and quarters.
Yeah, marbles and quarters. Wow, some baseball looking like that was a baseball sized one. Yeah, we're there it is right there. Wait a sec. Let me zoom in. Yeah, I don't see anything. But there we go.